belt. Bakit?
Belt!
Alright, our next cosplayer number 18, Basil 1 III, as Bashiru from Naruto. Ayan, yun na yung una sa mga ninja natin. Marami tayong ninja kanina pa. Sa mga nakamask dyan. Ganyan yung uniform. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung high school yun. Alright! Our next cosplayer. Familiar to
Yes!
Our next cosplayer, ayan, as Megatron from Transformers! Parang ano, naalala ko si Juggernaut. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Creative yan!
Oo, magkamukha lang, magkamukha. Si Megatron.
Ayan! Wow, boys forever yan! Cosplayer number 20! 21! Yuso from as Inuyasha from Inuyasha!
Ayan na naman ang mga malalaking espada. Ano ba yan?
Sa mga big sword!
Ba't ba ang hihingi sa malalaking espada? May kailangan pa kayong patunayan? Siyempre, magaling silang lumaban! Ano ba? Magaling silang lumaban. Kaya malalaki ang espada nila. Wait. At siyempre, contestant number 22, Koizumi as Kikyo from Inuyasha. Galing Lasal, oh. Ala. Nako. What Lasal? Di ba may
Natalo siya!
Ayan. Hinana.
Cosplayer number 23, Katsune as Pound Samurai from Pound Samurai The Dark Ages!
Parang Yoshimitsu, pero mas kinarin yung costume, mas elaborate.
Yes! Grabe! Talagang happy nila yan. Happy.
Wow!
Lakay
Kinakarir talaga ang cosplay dito sa
Dahil
cosplay.
mga happy nila yan. Happy na
ToyCon, brought to you by LG Mobile. Our next contestant, Trucy Wright, as Trucy Wright from Apollo Justice, Ace Attorney. Ay! Buti na lang, wala na si Pido Bear. Umalis na. Umalis na si Pido Bear. And of course, our next contestant.
Yes, 25, Pearl Pay. Pearl Pay. From Phoenix Wright, Ace Attorney.
Pearl Pay.
Pearl Pay.
Hindi ba siya yun? Yun, next na tayo. Pearl Pay, siya rin yung tumaan actually. Sila yung magkasama.
Ano lang?
Okay, next is Setsuna Zero as Gunslinger from Ragnarok Online.
Ang lakas na loob mo!
Nako, ba't walang nag-react? Kasi e-games dito eh.
Cosplayer number 27, the Joker! The Joker female from Batman, The Dark Knight.
Wow! Bitin, kulang pa. Alright, next! Mikey Manson as Sweeney Todd from Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber.
Cosplayer number 29, Tetsu!
Nasa ano siya, Reyes Haircutter sa baba.
Ragnarok Online game!
Wala! E-games kami dito!
Sabi kong e-games dito eh. Ano ba?
Kapal kami, kapal!
Malay mo, meron dyan
Oh,
lumilibot-libot.
ay nako. And next contestant, Kira as Light Yagami from Death Note. Wala. Next.
Oh, number 30.
Hindi, number 30. Yung pala, si Abba Red. Si Abba ba as Abba Ranger?
Yes, Abba Ranger.
Abba Ranger. Abba ba?
Number 30.
Abba Ranger.
Gibbs.
That's the number 30. Yun. Ayan. Hindi daw siya espada. Rod. Ayan. Okay. Oh, galit siya. Galit siya. Nalaglag kasi yung stick eh. Okay, number 31. Kira as Light Yagami from Death Note. Tama-tama yan. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Cosplayer number 32, Ken Machine as Uchiha Itachi from Naruto.
Ang pangalawa nating ninja. Nako! Nagkalat? Paano ba yan?
Mamaya daw nilinisin niya.
Hindi ko na bahala maglinis yan. Nabigyan ka namin walis. Our next contestant. Okay, si Burn as Hagiri Kaname, sniper from Yu Yu Hakusho. Ay, naalala ko itong character na to.
Ako din.
Oo. Aray. Pinamahan ako ng dice.
Yes, cosplayer number 34, Death to Becky as original from Wala.
Sorry. Okay, 169 na lang tayo. Tama-tama. 69. 169. Our next contestant, Ray Gasay Amunami from Lakota de Oro, Primo Paso. Friendship. Ang hirap. Again, to the cosplayers, pagbigyan nyo naman ang inyong audiences in the center after you do your posing and strutting. Pose in the center for the
Cosplayer
benefit of
number
with flash
36,
photography.
Shinkaru as Nagi from My Hime.
Sige, dito ka na! Huwag ka ma-stress! Na-stress, oh! Nabuti yung buhok! Kayo kasi! Palakpakan nyo naman! Na-stress! Nabuti ko na yung buhok! Our next contestant! Okay, nawala ako. Si Nagi. Alright. Shinkaru as Nagi. Then we have Toby as Toby from Naruto Shippuden.
Cosplayer number 38, Rabi as Super Deformed Battle Damage Bumblebee from Transformers the Movie.
Our next contestant, number 39, CC as CC from HG's favorite anime, Code Geass. Code Geass!
Yes!
Code Geass! Next, Lelouch. As Lelouch, mali pronunciation ko, sorry. Lelouch from Code Geass.
Uy!